Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to separate music and vocal from a song. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let us get started. First of all, let me show you this song.
की राह पर चल ऐ दिल रब की तरफ तो चल दुनिया ये फानी मंजिल कल होगी बिल्कुल बदल सजदों में गिर के रो ले कर ले सच्ची तौबा.
In this song, as you can see, both vocal and music are available. Now let us separate the vocal and music. To do that, first open any browser that you are using. After that, search for AI Vocal Remover. Then go to the first website, vocalremover.org. Here, scroll down and click on Browse My Files. Choose your song audio file and wait for the processing. After that, you will see two separate audio tracks. The first one is music, and the second one is vocal. Now, if you want to listen only to the vocal, reduce the music volume to 0 and increase the vocal track volume. Now let me play it. As you can see, it separates the music and vocal very clearly. If you find it suitable, then click on Save below and choose either the vocal or music file that you want to download. Let me download the vocal file. As you can see, the file has been downloaded successfully. So friends, this is the way how you can easily separate vocal and music from a song. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.